bet you'll learn all kinds of fancy driving at the academy, but for now, let's just take it slow and steady. Don't want to scratch the paint job on your first day. Swing by the hot dog stand in Chinatown. There's a parking bay there.
Hold it.
Tube steak.
Central to all units, bank robbery in progress. Mercer ACB Bank on Mercer Street, shots fired.
Christ on a crutch. Another beautiful moment ruined. Oh well, that's what they're paying us for, right? Central, this is Unit 84, responding code 3.
10-484, be advised, suspects are heavily armed, approach with caution.
Okay, kid.
Just give it up, Bozo.
Now remember, they get one warning. If they don't throw them down, we take them down. Get ready. Police! Freeze!
ACPD, drop it now.
Morons! Doesn't look like they're gonna give us a choice. Light them up! Target is down.
Hold it.
This is Bree Bookman in the ACTV Eye in the Sky, the #1 news chopper in Averno City. We're downtown where police are engaged in a fierce shootout following yet another bank robbery. It's not clear yet whether this is the notorious August gang or... Hold on. There's movement at the back of the building. More criminals coming out. They're boarding a vehicle. It's a dark van and it... Oh my goodness. Keep it tuned to ACTV, folks. Looks like we're in for a police pursuit.
Follow that vehicle.
Suspect vehicle last spotted in Ramona. Suspect vehicle identified on Brookhaven.
Get closer.
Suspect vehicle last spotted on Litchfield.
Hey, you.
84 to Central. We got a 10-15. Pursuit has been terminated.
Copy that, 84. All units stand down. I repeat, stand down.
Whew! You did good, kid. Not everyone handles a pursuit like that on their first day. Just relax, will ya? Come on, Cordell. There's someone I want you to meet.